Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mana Lectures. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the difference between satellite communication and optical fiber communications. In today's lecture, we discuss about the what are the advantages of satellite communication and disadvantages of satellite communications. Going to the concept, first one, the advantages of satellite communication. The major advantage of satellite communication means is high transmission capability, which is the one of the major transmission advantages of satellite communication. We see what is the advantage. Before the advent of before the advent of satellite communication, long distance communication over space is accomplished by means of cascaded radio relays and very low frequency radios and high frequency radios, using high frequency radios or short wave radios, and some other techniques are used to achieve the communication through space before the satellite communications. But these are applicable for some limited or suitable applications only. These are all for suitable applications only, not for all the needs. So this is the disadvantages before satellite communication. To overcome this disadvantage, we use satellite communication. Here, this is the advantage of satellite communication. By using satellite communication, we can achieve high transmission, high transmission capability, high transmission capability, uh, capability or capacity over long distance. This is the one of the major advantage over long distance, not short distances. We can achieve transmission or communication in space over long distance by using satellite communications. And second one also one of the major important. This point we also discussed it in the previous lecture of difference between OFC and SC. In that we discuss in optical fiber communication we achieve only communication to point, but in satellite communication we achieve point to uh, multi-point, means endpoint communication. This is the another major advantage of satellite communications, because satellite has a unique geometry. Satellite has unique geometry, which helps in transmission of signal from one point to into n number of points within its coverage area. This is also one of the important point, within its coverage area. We can simply understand this by say simple diagram. If we consider this as a satellite in space, then it has to first of all, to get the signal to the transmitter, we need uh, a gateway earth satellite, gateway earth satellite means which transmit the signal from earth surface to from the earth to from the earth to satellite. Means it will transmit the signals from earth to satellite, then the signals from the satellite to transmit to different points, n points within its coverage area of satellite. Means here we can achieve different signals in different regions at a time by using satellite communications. This is the one of the another major advantage of it. Here this is one of the another advantage, and in this type there are some other advantages also. Next one is quick installation also. Quick installation means here we can install the satellite stations in for understand, once the satellite is stationed in appropriate or predefined position, means in space, whatever the space in the orbit, um, we predefine or appropriate that the satellite is to be placed in it orbit. Then the installation of earth satellites in the previous slide also I draw the earth satellites. The earth satellites also can be installed quickly based on these links. This is also one of the advantage. And fourth one is mobile communication. Mobile communication can be carried out out simple by satellites. Mobile communication can be carried out simply, and it can be used. Satellites are can also be used for relief operations in inaccessible areas. We can also have the advantage of satellite communication in detecting the radars, or sorry, means in detecting any missiles or any other rain climatic changes, or any finding the miles, or any other advantages also there by using satellites. These are all the advantages. And some advantages also there. Using some satellite mobile system is capable of providing full international roaming to mobiles. And satellites are used to provide, and one of the major advantages is communication through voice and data communications. So satellite communication can be achieved through satellite communication. This also advantage uh, to the mobiles also. And this voice and data communication can be achieved to the aircrafts on space, aircraft, ships on water, or means on seas at there, and land vehicles also. There are so many advantages of satellite communications. uh, these are the major points we need to discuss about the what are the main advantages of satellite communication. And there are some disadvantages also. Here, for any system or for any model, there is advantages and there is a disadvantages. We see what are the some major advantages, disadvantages of satellite communication. And that first point is high cost of satellite is very high. This is one of the major disadvantage. The cost of satellite is very high. And some other reasons also there. If the satellite is uh, achieved, or means, or if the satellite is not placed in the orbit at a particular point where the particular point the satellite is spaced, it is not achieved, then the total cost of money, the total cost will be useless, means will be disadvantage, will be loss. There are some disadvantages also. In case if the satellite are placed partially, then the services are gained by those satellite is limited to some areas only, limited to some region or some portions only. So this is also one of the disadvantage of satellite communication, region fails, services fails to region fails also. And another important thing is, if there is any defects in the satellite after launching the satellite, after the launching of satellite is not, we cannot correct it, we cannot repair it. Repairing is also not possible in space. So this is also one of the disadvantages. The reliability means, the reliability of satellite is also very low compared to other systems. This is also one of the disadvantages. And the another issue is also there in mobile communications also. There is a propagation delay from one point to another point. In some cases, due to long propagation delay, there is a rise of echo, not system, echo also in calls. This is a one of the those these are the major disadvantages of satellite communications. And the advantages also we also seen. This is about this video. And not only more advantages, there are some more disadvantages also satellite communications have. But why we are using satellite communication means, uh, we get more efficient communication through advantages more than disadvantages. We have so much important factors in advantages, so that's why we are using satellite communications. uh, in the next video we will meet with another topic. Thanks for watching the video. And please subscribe to Mana Lectures.